Surah, number 91, of Quran Majeed. The Sun.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
وَالشَّمْسِ وَضُحَاهَا.
By the sun and her forenoon splendor.
وَالْقَمَرِ إِذَا تَلَاهَا.
By the moon when he follows her.
وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا جَلَّاهَا.
By the day when it reveals her.
وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَاهَا.
By the night when it covers her.
وَالسَّمَاءِ وَمَا بَنَاهَا.
By the sky and him who built it.
وَالْأَرْضِ وَمَا طَحَاهَا.
By the earth and him who spread it.
وَنَفْسٍ وَمَا سَوَّاهَا.
By the soul and him who fashioned it.
فَأَلْهَمَهَا فُجُورَهَا وَتَقْوَاهَا.
And inspired it with discernment between its virtues and vices.
قَدْ أَفْلَحَ مَنْ زَكَّاهَا.
One who purifies it is felicitous.
وَقَدْ خَابَ مَنْ دَسَّاهَا.
And one who betrays it fails.
كَذَّبَتْ ثَمُودُ بِطَغْوَاهَا.
The people of Thamud denied Allah's signs out of their rebellion.
إِذِ انبَعَثَ أَشْقَاهَا.
When the most wretched of them rose up.
فَقَالَ لَهُمْ رَسُولُ اللَّهِ نَاقَةَ اللَّهِ وَسُقْيَاهَا.
The apostle of Allah had told them, "This is Allah's she-camel, let her drink."
فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَعَقَرُوهَا فَدَمْدَمَ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّهُم بِذَنبِهِمْ فَسَوَّاهَا.
But they impugned him and hamstrung her. So their Lord took them unawares by night because of their sin, and leveled it.
وَلَا يَخَافُ عُقْبَاهَا.
And he does not fear its outcome.